The 2019 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. Most of the major players have some sort of street-legal racebike on the market, and for Aprilia, that honor falls to the RSV4 1100 factory. Aprilia pulls from the top shelf for the electronic safety and comfort systems to put together a machine that delivers track-like performance with a veritable alphabet soup of under-the-hood features. Aprilia gives you everything you need to manage the power that sets a new standard for a production V4 with over 200 ponies on tap. 2019 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory design. Form follows function on this machine, big time, and it starts early with special features built right into the fairing. Form follows function on the RSV4 1100 factory, big time, and it starts early with special features built right into the fairing, cowling area. First, there's a pair of intake ports just below the dual headlight recesses that take advantage of the pressure wave at the bike's nose to garner an inexpensive boost to volumetric efficiency, though it's just as every other Ram air intake system in the world in that it doesn't do much until you get up around the 100 mph mark. Another feature directly related to performance at speed.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.